Managing detailed sites with sub-metering and multi-utilities with Acutrace by Pinergy is simple and easy to do. For the best results, please use Chrome as your browser. Set screen resolution to 67% and click the login URL provided by your account manager. Log in using your case-sensitive username and password. Save credentials when prompted. The homepage widgets available to you will depend on the data available and may include grid energy, PV energy, total or exported, water, gas, waste, EV charging, air quality, and more. The menu on the left-hand side of your screen, the headings and graphs you can see will be pre-approved with your account manager prior to the handover and are usually organised by blocks or areas, then floors and sub-meters. Once you drill down to a specific meter, the graphical options vary by meter type. For electrical meters, you can toggle between current, power factor, amps, VHD, kVA, kVAR, kW. For water and gas, you may view flow rate, total volume. And for indoor air quality, you can view VOC, carbon dioxide, temperature, and humidity. The left-hand menu will be custom to you and defined by you and your account manager. It enables you to drill down to equipment or department level. Beneath this menu, you will find the site report, which will allow you to download a CSV with day, week, and month data, color-coded for convenience. This also contains hourly reporting on meter drill down, providing you with a detailed view of hourly consumption. With Acutrace by Pinergy, powerful insights are always at your fingertips.